Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've got money sitting in your Amazon Pay wallet and you're wondering how to get it out quickly, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple, step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from your Amazon Pay wallet in 2025. This process is designed to be fast and hassle-free, perfect for anyone looking to access their funds without any delays. Whether it's from refunds, gifts, or earnings, let's get you sorted out. First things first, make sure you have the latest Amazon app installed on your phone or access the website on your computer. Open the app and log in with your Amazon account credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Amazon Pay section, usually found at the bottom of the screen or in the menu. It's that easy icon that looks like a wallet. Click on it to enter your Amazon Pay dashboard. Now, look for the Wallet option and select it. Here, you'll see your current balance. Next, find and tap on the Withdraw or Transfer to Bank button. Don't worry if it varies slightly based on your region, it's straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it's within your available balance and any daily limits set by Amazon. After that, you'll need to select your bank account or payment method where you want the money to go. If you haven't added one yet, there's an option to add it now. Just enter your bank details securely. Double-check everything for accuracy, then hit the Confirm button. Amazon will process your request, and depending on your bank, the funds could appear in your account within minutes to a few hours. One quick tip. Keep an eye on any verification steps, like OTP codes, to ensure security. And if you run into any issues, Amazon's help section is super helpful. There you have it. Your money is on its way. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.